The Visigoth Kingdom, a fascinating chapter in the tapestry of early medieval Europe, emerged from the ashes of the Roman Empire. Founded in the 5th century, it was a realm of warriors and settlers, known for its fierce battles and rich culture. The Visigoths, originally a nomadic tribe, famously sacked Rome in 410 AD, marking a pivotal moment in history. They eventually settled in what is now modern-day Spain and southern France, establishing a kingdom that thrived for nearly 3 centuries. Their legal code, the Breviary of Alaric, laid the groundwork for future European law. The Visigoths were not just conquerors, they blended Roman traditions with their own, creating a unique society that influenced art, architecture, and governance. Their legacy is a testament to resilience and adaptation in a rapidly changing world. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Your support means the world to me. If you found the content helpful or entertaining, please consider liking this video. It not only boosts my motivation but also helps others discover the channel. Subscribing is a great way to stay connected and be part of our growing community. Each like and subscription fuels my passion to create even more engaging content for you. So, if you enjoyed what you saw, hit that like button and subscribe. Together, we can explore more amazing topics and share this journey. Thank you for being here.